Hey friends, welcome back to Soulful Adventures. Let's see what are the cards for our next zodiac sign, and that is for Libra for the month of December 2020. Right now I'm shuffling cards for you guys. So let's draw some cards. Wow. Great energies. Okay. For Libras, the overall energy is Four of Swords. Now, Four of Swords is an energy for your complete December month. It means that you need to take rest. Not necessarily means a physical rest, okay? It means a mental rest because you might have been in a mental stress, disappointments, panic, or we can say some issues, mental issues, which could have led you to depression, some pain that you have gone through in the month of November, October, September, or some physical stress too. It seems that you have been working more harder lately, so that's the reason you need to take rest, mostly mental rest. You can meditate for that. You can even take a holiday for 2-3 days and enjoy with your family. That is also a type of mental rest that you need. Okay, what cards we have for Libras? So first card is Three of Cups. Now Three of Cups is an energy of celebration. It means teamwork again. It means celebrations with friends, families. It's a gala time. It also means that it can be a new birth in your family. Okay, so people waiting for new birth or good news. Yes, definitely this month you can get those good news. It's overall like a gala time with friends and family and celebrations basically in the month of December. Yes, this is a holiday time, Christmas time, New Year time. So yes, there will be a lot of parties with your friends. Then second card we have is of Ten of Cups. Now 10 of Cups is an energy where there is overflowing emotions into families, friends. It means that mostly it's a nuclear family. So your partner, your kids, all these are having a holiday time. Again, being a December, there can be holidays. So you all are enjoying. There is a family emotional involvement, high development as a family, as one family. Moreover, it's a time of celebrations. It's like your wishes regarding to the family is getting completed. If there were some conflicts in past in a family, that might have overcome. Okay, so you are going to get involved with kids a lot, with your kids a lot. So there is a whole lot of family time in the month of December. Okay, then you have a Seven of Swords energy. This card is coming mostly in all the readings. Okay, maybe most of the readings right now. So Seven of Swords is a manifestation time. So this is like manifesting a specific goal. Okay, specific goal means I need to buy a new home at XYZ location, and I am going to buy it by December end, February end, next month end. Any specific time period or specific goals you need to manifest, because here you know what exactly you need and you are going to manifest that. Okay, so be very specific about your goals and manifest it, and if you manifest it properly, it is having 100% chance to come true. Okay, then what we have as a next card is Two of Wands. Now Two of Wands is an energy where it could be a choices. Okay, now Wands is related to your passion. Okay, twos when comes, it means choices. You have choices. There can be I mean to say choices regarding a job or a business. It's like you have a choice between choosing your own comfort zone or going for new adventures. Okay, it's like whether I should continue with my regular work or should I take more risk and start a new business. It can be that choices. Planning your future, definitely. It means that you are now ready to, you have already started doing a work regarding your passion. Now you are ready to plan more. Okay, if you can see, there is a paperwork done and expanding your horizons and looking forward, like what next I can do. So planning your work. If this card is associated with celebrations, that is Three of Cups, it means that you have your friends supporting it, your family supporting that work. So if you are going to plan something big and something beautiful regarding your passion, you are having a celebrations with your family and friends, and yes, definitely they are going to support you in your work. Okay. Eight of Pentacles is a card of hard work, a complete hard work. It means that December is going to be, it's like work from home, we can see, because a lot of time with family, right? So there is a get together, there is a lot of emotions involved within the family. This time you are enjoying with the family, so this is a family time. So when it is possible, these two are actually contradictory cards, I must tell you. Eight of Pentacles involves a lot of hard work. Okay, so you don't have a time to give attention to your family. But if this card is associated with Ten of Cups, I can tell you this indicates work from home. Okay, so you are going to work for your family, with your family, I can tell you that. So there is a lot of hard work involved in the month of December, which is going to give you a chance to reconcile with your family and to have these celebrations, financial stability, and enjoy with your kids. Okay, we have Three of Wands. Now Three of Wands is an energy where you are looking, you are assessing your future. Okay, it means that now you have understood your goals and ambitions. Okay, see, this card is associated with Seven of Swords. Here you need to manifest, you need to think that those things are going to get completed, and these are the specific goals, specific ambition in your life. And Three of Wands, it means that you have finally understood now what is my goal in life, what is the purpose of my life, what is my next achievement I need to achieve. Okay, you have understood that I need to do some improvements and I am going into a right direction, and for that you need to manifest. Okay, once you decide your goals and ambitions, then you manifest what your goals and ambitions are, and then the things will get work. Now, as I told you, there is a lot of work, lot of hard work involved in the month of December, because if you can see, this card is associated with your work. You're working also, you are expanding your horizons, you are planning your future, you are manifesting, you have a lot of celebrations with friends, with family. So if you say overall, you are going to be quite very busy in the month of December. This is very much clear in the reading, because you are dealing with your family, friends, work at a time, and because of that you require rest, and that's the way you will get the rest. Because December overall energy is rest. This is very specifically, I'm telling you, you are going to be super busy in the December month, and because of that, in the Sagittarius season and then Capricorn season, it's work and family and friends already involved too much. You need to take a rest. If you take a rest, then it is possibly that you will be not exhausted. With this, we will be meeting in our next zodiac tarot reading for the month of January. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.